Literacy opens the door to other worlds. It really does. I mean, we're communicators as human beings. We need to be literate. We need to read. We need to write. We need to understand each other. So really, every single teacher that works with young kids should be paid twice as much, because what you're doing is so incredibly important. Like John, you know, with your grade ones, you should have had twice your salary. Seriously. Because it is that important, because by the time they get to grade 4, grade 5, the teachers have already got those kids reading and writing, usually, got that foundation started. But it is so important that the teachers of younger children really understand what they're doing and that they become experts at what they do. You know, most definitely, this is all about the keys to literacy today and tomorrow as well. It's important to think, what do you believe about literacy? In the STAR program, next Friday, I'm going to be talking about what my beliefs are about children who learn differently. And we're going to be going through and teachers will get the time to actually write them down. We don't have that luxury of time now, but I want you to just think, we're going to have a quick little chat with each other. What do you believe about the ways that children learn literacy? And there's no right answer. It's not like, oh, you know, it has to be with jolly phonics. It's not. How do they get all this language? How do they get literacy? What do you actually believe in yourself about that? Anybody got? Just turn to the person next to you. Get together, say, and I don't know, two groups. All right? Because I promise you, this is not just about phonics. If you've come only for phonics, you're going to be crying by the end of the day.